So I'm Govinath, you are 15 CS354. Now I'm going to show the third exercise of networking, which is IP addressing and subnetting. So first is the IP address classes. Oh, there are five classes, which are Class A, Class B, Class C, and Class D and C. And D and C, which are used for reserved for multitask or experiment or research purpose. From here, Class A, which are the network range is 1 to 127, and the bit will be like 8 bits for the each point, say, which is separated by each 4 points, and which each byte has a 8 bits on it. So class B is from 128 to 191, and class C is 192 to 223, and class D is 222 to 239, and 240 to 255. And the private addresses are only these two, and also the default subnet mask of that all for private address of space is 10.000 to 10.255 because 10 is a network address, and rest of that are the uh, host addresses of that. And also you can able to see over here, it in class B it is two network address and also the two host addresses. And also in the class C you can able to see as a three network addresses and a two host addresses. And default subnet mask are 225.00.0.0, and also for class B it's 225.0.0. These all things already been known. Now I'm going to show the problems which are given. For the given IP address and subnet mask, calculate the network address and broadcast address and the usable IP address. So this is a given IP address. For this, the network address is this. You can able to see over here 178.255.178.128, and the rest of the thing will be in the host address. Now I'm going to show straight away. I'm going for the problem now. There are the rest of things are there, and these are the network address which are given. So these are the first IP address and last IP address. I didn't mention above over here. These are the given IP address. From the network address is this, where you can be able to keep test like this. If I borrowed a 2 bits, means you can able to see it in the if I borrowed a 2 bits, I can able to you can able to have a two IP address of that. First IP address is this, and second IP address is this, and the last one these are the last IP address of that. From here it is an network address, but after because we borrowed an extra IP address from the network bits from the host, so rest of that from where you can able to see, because I borrowed a 1 bit, so I can show it as 128. So there are two network address I created from that, from 129 and 254. And also again this is the given IP address. From there I'm going to show you these are the 30 which is the subnet mask subnet which are needed. So first network address is these are the thing where I borrowed a 2 IP network. I borrowed a 2 bits, so it shows a 164, and the first IP address is 165 and the last IP address is 166, and another network IP address is given over here. From there I borrowed, and so from there I can going to show you the IP address. This is the IP address for that, and also I'm going to show you the first IP address is 2.1 and 254, so which I shows that the fourth subnet of this, which occupies the whole thing as a host addresses, which has 0 to 254, because you can actually there are 255 but I 256, but I can able to show only 254 host address, because the first and last IP address are given as for the network and the broadcast address. And I'm going for next problem, which is based on the information of graphics system and design the topologies and minimum number of subnets, where I can able to show you because this is an IP address which are going given for this topology, 172.16.8. You can see that it is a class B because it starts from 172, and the subnet mask of the class B is 255.255, and also 255 point, and also a bit is borrowed, so you can able to see over here 222.0, and the minimum number of subnet needed is 4, and extra subnet needed is 4, because we taken it for 8 subnet we have taken, but we needed only 4 subnetters, and also the extra subnet is 4, and number of host address in the last subnet is the host subnet address is given already is 60, and also number of host needed is also 60. So total number of address needed to the largest subnet is 120. And from there I'm going to show you the IP range of the research is 172.16.02.02 172.31.255. So it is used for the research range is this much, and also for the marketing is this much, and also the management is this much. And that's all for the subnetting.